Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll just show you how I've managed to fix a wobbling wardrobe. So sometimes, especially when you move your house, your wardrobe might break down. And if you try to put the screws in the walls where you had put the screws before, the screws may not be tight enough and it could reach to your wardrobe falling off or breaking down. So how do you fix it? Well, the solution is not for you to buy a brand new wardrobe, but to buy these angle brackets which you put on the corners. So this is an angle bracket which I bought from home base, and I also bought some self-tapping screws which I've just typed in. It's easier to use the drill to drill through walls than put the screws in, but if you buy self-tapping screws, you don't need a drill, you can just put them in. So that way your wardrobe will become strong. In my case, what I've done is on each and every corner I've put these angle brackets. So I put one angle bracket here, I put another one here, and I've also put one at the bottom here, and one on that bottom and another one here. So in that way the thing is now very strong. You can't shake it. It's very, very strong, stronger than it was before. What I had myself was the screws that goes through the joining, they were so loose that the thing was breaking down. So by using angle brackets, the thing is now strong enough and I can use it again. Okay, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.